Hi fellow designers, welcome to another tutorial video where I'll be showing you how I created this beautiful mock-up design on Pixellab. Trust me, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process. I'm going to be showing everything how I created this um mock-up on Pixellab. So you can actually add this instead of using normal models. You can always download. I'm definitely going to drop this image. It's already in my design community, so I'll drop the link to my design community in the description, so you can, or I'll drop the link to the image, one of the two, but I'll make sure that you have access to the image. Just make sure you check all the links in the description so you can get access to the image. So let's get started. The first thing I'll be doing is, let me open a new project. So I'll be giving this a white background. Then I will import the image. I downloaded the image from Pinterest, so you can get more images from there. So here is the image. Oh no, I'll be using the removed the background free one, the one that the background has been removed already. So where is it? This is it. Here is the image. So I'm just going to, like, I think it's okay like this. Let me just crop this part away. Then it's perfect this way. So it's okay like this. I'm just going to place it here. Or no, after adjusting it to the size you want the image to be, just move to relative position, click on the relative position, click on these two middle icons here, this one and this one, these two. After clicking on the two, click on the good icon and lock this layer. After locking the layer, click on shapes. After clicking on shapes, adjust it to the size of the image, of the phone, something like this. I think it's okay this way, just something like this. Then you increase the radius to like 15 or so. I think 15 is perfect. So after doing that, you zoom in. Make sure you zoom in perfectly like this to see the full. Click here, click on the shape that we just created, move to the perspective, then you start adjusting it to fit in. Make sure you zoom in perfectly so that you can see if it's really working. Enable it so that you can see how it's working on it. Enable it. Do the same for this part. Adjust it. Make sure it is well adjusted. Adjust it. Adjust it like this. So I think it's okay this way, right? Yes, you can always adjust it more. So let me adjust it more, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just be doing little things on it. I'll be showing you the main thing that you need to know about how this flyer design was done. Sorry, the phone mockup. Perspective, then adjust this like this. Then this one, just like this. I think is it okay this way? Let me adjust it from here. I can't really see it from there. Okay, so after that, we're going to copy the image of the model, copy it, then position it in the middle. Position it. So after positioning it, click on the good icon, then move to marks. Enable the marks. So what we're trying to do here is that we'll be maxing out the guy's hand. So enable the marks. Then we're going to the second mode, switch to the second Bezier mode, then move it. So we're just going to move it to this part. Then we're going to adjust it. Make sure that the marks are masking out everything. So after doing that, we're now going to be like, we'll be maxing in the, after maxing out the body, try to like adjust it. Just follow through everything that I'll be doing. Follow through, look closely. I'm just going to be adjusting the guy's hand. Is the hand where you are doing that is so that the hand can cover the mock-up and it's going to look very realistic. We can't just leave it like this, it will not be looking very nice. So we need to like adjust the guy's hand carefully, just the hand where he's holding the mock-up. So I'm just going to be looking very closely at it so that I'm going to be able to do this perfectly. I don't want any mistake. So to add more nodes, I'm just going to click on this plus here on this actions so that I can be able to add more to it. So I'm going to click here, click on plus, that is going to come down like this, click on another plus. So I'm just going to do like this. So what we are doing here is that we're trying to target the hand of the guy, his hand, make sure that everything is working perfectly hand in hand, you understand. Just look closely because I'm not going to be saying much again because I want to focus on it, you understand. So just adjust it like this. To take a lot of time, you just have to be, you understand, patient, and this is what I want to achieve. I'm definitely going to achieve it, you understand. So curve this away, make sure that the marks, you're trying to max out the hand only. That's what we're trying to do. You get, be very creative and be patient with it. So we're going to be adding more knots. So I hope you guys are following. I don't want this tutorial to be too quiet. So just follow closely, adjust it. We are trying to max out the hand. We're trying to max out the hand so that it's going to look like a real mock-up. You get, we're trying to max out the hand so that it's going to look like a real mock-up. Look closely. So we still have more works to do, but we've gotten to some point. We'll still be doing more. Let's keep pushing. We're still going to let's keep pushing. Let's go harder. We just need some little adjustments. Click here. This is the one we adjust. So just keep moving, keep doing it. Okay, so just little adjustment that I need now. Little adjustment. Then I think this side is okay. Then for this part, you just have to keep adjusting it. It's perfect. So let's check. It's okay like this. I think it's very okay. Yes, it is very okay. Then you lock this and click here to import the image. So another thing is that, did you see how I did mine? I actually put a design into it, and inside that design is also this guy that is there. So here is the trick. I'm going to save this one and show you what I did there, so that when you want to do yours, you don't have to start cracking your brain. Oh, how do I do this, how do I do that? So let me just show you. Here is the thing. Here is what I did. I'm going to show you. So here is the design. So I want you to look very closely. You will notice that this model is holding a phone mockup, and the phone mockup, inside the design, the guy is also holding a phone mockup that the design is inside. This is a very complicated issue. So here is what I did. I did this design. I saved it with this guy. Like, I saved it. If you let me zoom in so you can see it very well. If you look very closely, you will notice that the guy that is inside this phone, let me draw. The guy that is here, this small guy that is, this is too big. This small guy that is here, it's just because you cannot see it because of what I did to it. Is holding the real phone mock-up that there's no design into it. Is holding the real phone mock-up. So after I did that, I made sure that the guy that is inside the main design that is inside this phone is holding the phone mock-up. So after I did that, I put it into this what do I call it? Into this design. I saved it. After saving it, and I used it for this phone mockup. Then after using it for the phone mockup, then I brought it here. You see, it's very complicated. So you have to be very creative. So that was what I did. After doing that, I took this design. I just screenshotted something. Then I'm just going to be. I click there. Click on from gallery to just, screenshot always have the font size, so you have to make sure that it's the screenshot that you're putting there, so that it's going to fit perfectly into the phone mockup. So where is my screenshot? You can just take anything from this side. So let's say it's this one I'm taking. So I click on it, then I change the color to white. You'll notice that it's still the same size of the screenshot, which means that it's going to fit perfectly into my phone mockup. Then I imported the design to fit somewhere here. I'm coming. So here is the design. Okay, so I reduced the size of the design so it's going to fit perfectly, and I positioned it in the middle. Then you just save to your gallery. So after doing that, we'll go straight to the saved project we have before. So here is the saved project. So we're going to be click on layer, unlock the layer, the shape that we created earlier. Then you input it inside the one that we just saved from Pixellab. So this is it. Then you click on the good icon. This is so perfect. So I've gotten a lot of messages that, oh, also, how did you create this on Pixellab? That was like, no, I must create a tutorial video. You guys must know how to create it, even though you cannot easily, sometimes you might be having issues with creating a mock-up like automatically, but with this tutorial, I'm sure that it should not take you 1 to 2 hours. It didn't take us. This video is just 14 minutes. Can you see? And I did some other talkings, which means that it should have taken me like 10 minutes to create this mock-up with Pixellab. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you'll be infusing it in your design. Don't just keep it. Don't just keep it to yourself. Don't just learn it and keep it in your head. Try to infuse it in your design. Try to like practice it. You get? So practice it, and I wish you all the very best. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notification for more amazing videos from Sarah. Yes, and I'll see you when you see me. Bye.